Hi there. So, are you spending hours creating lead magnets only to see disappointing results? I was too, until I've discovered this AI powered marketing software that allowed me to create lead magnets fast in minutes. I didn't even need design skills. In this video, I'll show you a quick demo of this software, Lead Creator AI. I believe it's a game-changing lead generation software. Let's be honest, creating lead magnets the traditional way can be a nightmare. Writing compelling copy takes time. Designing a professional layout requires design skills or expensive software. And formatting it all correctly can be a headache. Plus, if you're outsourcing any of this, the costs can quickly add up, right? It's a time consuming, frustrating process that often leaves you with a lead magnet that doesn't even convert. And this is where Lead Creator AI comes in. It's not just a lead magnet creator, it's your complete lead magnet command center. Imagine all of your lead magnets organized in one place, accessible anytime, anywhere. Well, for me, this was a real problem. I had lead magnets here and there, and I had to go and search on my OneDrive, my Google Drive, on an external hard drive. So, this is a really big game changer for me personally because this means no more frantically searching through folders or trying to remember we have saved that perfect checklist. Really believe Lead Creator makes creating high converting lead magnets fast, easy, and affordable, all within a single intuitive platform. Let's dive into a quick demo using the Ultra version. In the previous video, I used the Pro version, which is also really great for getting started. But I decided to upgrade to Ultra for all the amazing extra features to run my online business. This, however, is a personal decision, and you need to look at your business, where you're at financially, and see what will work best for you. You can also learn more about both versions on Lead Creator's landing page. I will leave a link in the description of this video. And if you use my affiliate link, you will also get some exclusive bonuses, which I will go over a little bit later. Right. For this demo, we'll use the example of a career coach who wants to create a lead magnet to attract clients for their one on one coaching program on landing your dream job. They're creating YouTube content to build authority and trust. Their lead magnet idea is a 5 point listicle called 5 Mistakes Sabotaging Your Job Search and How to Fix Them. So let's go over to Lead Creator and let's get going. So here we are on the dashboard of Lead Creator. We can just quickly go through the dashboard as it is right now. So here we've got a quick start. It contains videos to help you get started with this platform. And this section over here is where we are right now. Then you've got where all your lead magnets are stored. Here you've got the section where you can apply for an affiliate. Here you've got the settings where you can set it so that you have your own custom domain, integration with autoresponders, your billing information, etc. This is also a very useful section over here, the analytics, where you can see how well your lead magnet has performed. And then you can basically make some notes and decide where you need to change or optimize your lead magnet. All right, so here's the agency settings where you can add an account and select a plan, Pro or Ultra. Right. Then you've got team members where you can add different team members over here. All right. And here's the training section over here where you'll find different videos on different trainings on how on to help you create a lead magnet and to use Lead Creator effectively. And here's the change log. Here you can see the roadmap of the software. All right, so let's get over here, create a lead magnet. So let's give our lead magnet a name. We will call it 5 mistakes sabotaging your job search and how to fix them. Right here you can actually give it a category. And here you can choose your template. It can be a blank one, it can be a raw chat GPT one where you can just give the relevant prompt. And here is the one that we're going to use. You've got all of these over here with more to come as well. Let's go over to the 5-point listicle. And now we're going to enter our prompt. There you go. The prompt is create a 5-point listicle outlining 5 common job search mistakes with actionable tips to fix each. Make it compelling and engaging for job seekers looking for their dream job. All right, so it's important to include as much information as possible to get to the right target audience. Right, let's create. It's busy working in the background. I want to do this in real time so that you can just see the time it takes, and boof, there it is. You've got the title, 5 common job search mistakes and how to fix them. Then you've got your body text over here. I would recommend that you go through this and ensure that it is correct. As you know, AI can make mistakes. Alright, so for instance, if you want to change, say for instance, this section over here, you can highlight it. Alright, so for example, you can enter here, improve this intro with a relevant example so that the reader wants to continue reading. Right, and you can enter, and AI comes up with this one, where there's, for instance, consider Sarah, a talented graphic designer, and it gives the example over here. So now you can decide to replace this section or insert it below the one you have. Right, we can replace it over here. Right, so then you can come over here. You can insert an image. So for instance, that you've created with Canva or any other designing tool that you're familiar with, or a YouTube video. You can insert the YouTube URL in here and insert the video here. You can also insert more text, headings, bulleted list, numbered list, and a button. This button you can also change here. You can make it another color, you can make the text another color, you can insert a link over here if you want this button to link, for example, to your main website or main landing page. Right. Or for example to your sales page as well. Here you can make it medium, small, or large. And if you want to change the text, you can come over here and change it to anything else. Right. There you go. Right. And more features are coming in the future, like you can see over here. Right, so now you have your lead magnet. Now it's time to optimize it for conversion. And here you've got a few features to help you with this. First of all, over here we've got email capture. This is to connect a form to your autoresponder as well. I also go into more detail in a previous video. You will be able to find it in the info section. Then you get your integrations. This is now where you can integrate your autoresponder, or if it's not here, then you can also come over here and use probably make.com, Zapier or so to actually integrate your specific autoresponder. Then you've got social sliders over here, which will appear in the bottom left corner of the screen for the last person who signed up for your lead magnet. It's also got a nice tutorial over here to show you how to use this tool. Then over here we've got expiring URL, and this announcement bar will appear at the top of the screen with a countdown timer to urge people to join as soon as possible. Also a tutorial which you can have a look at over here, and this is how it will look more or less on your lead magnet. Then over here we've got the scarcity maker, which will allow, if you use this and you make it active, it will limit the number of people who can access your lead magnet. You can say, for instance, say over here 30, and when the 30 is done, you can actually come over here and redirect them to a specific URL. You can save this, and this is how it will look like. Limited edition, only 20 downloads left. Do not miss out. All right. You can enter a slug, like give it a name. For example, job search. Update this. All right. And here you're also able to add your affiliate referral link. And here you can also upload an image which you like to share on social media. And here you find scripts where you can enter your tracking settings. And here's your footer links, for example, privacy policy. And you can add your URL for that and add it over here and save it. All right, when you're done with all of this, you can actually go over here, go back to your lead magnet, and you can publish your lead magnet. There you go. And now you can actually come over here and view your lead magnet. There you go. So you can see here's lots of room for improvement. You can add more images, etc. And yeah, you will see over here a pop-up form appears where if you want to continue reading, you can complete this. And you can customize this form, as I also have explained in the previous video, with your brand colors, etc. All right, so as you can see, Lead Creator AI is more than just a lead magnet generator. It's a powerful tool to convert traffic into qualified leads. It saves you lots of time and provides easy to use templates. Integrate with your favorite email platforms, offers performance tracking analytics, and keeps all your lead magnets organized on one central dashboard. No more lost files. And here's a pro tip for creating high converting lead magnets. Think about the transformation your coaching or course provides. What are the key steps your clients or students take to achieve their desired outcome? Now, choose one of those value steps as your lead magnet topic, offering an immediate quick win. For example, our career coaches program might cover resume writing, interview skills, LinkedIn optimization, and salary negotiation. A great lead magnet could be a checklist on optimizing your LinkedIn profile, an immediate win that helps job seekers get noticed. So, if you're ready and you want to get this AI Power all in one lead magnet solution, you can use my affiliate link, which I will leave in the description below. And I will also add some exclusive bonuses, which will help you in your lead creation endeavors. You will find the bonuses listed here at onlinelaunchmaven.com/lead creator. You can go down here and go through all the bonuses over here. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions about creating lead magnets, let me know in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos on lead generation and digital marketing strategies, tools, and tactics to help you excel in your online business growth. If you know of a coach, course creator, marketer, or an online business owner who will find this video helpful, please share it with them. See you in the next one. Bye bye.